Me there up on the pier, I watch the water move slow, and my mind I travel far, far away. Way past what my eye can see. Them say man I go moon, space tour, different country, different company, and race for sky business now. Space turn attraction. But me start reasoning about the first time them say man touch moon. Neil Armstrong. And them story there. Them plant American flag on the moon, but me ask myself, zero gravity and a flag a wave? I'm not too sure about that star. And look here now, every astronaut take picture of moon, earth, space, but all of them angle look the same. Different camera, same shot. I don't know about everybody else, but Norasta no pick me. I can't swallow every story where them feed with. Truth be told, me even start questioning if the earth really round like them say. But just a reason, not attack nobody. I want to hear one think. This makes sense to you, know? Or I just say I one alone a reason so. For more ganja reasoning, share, like, and subscribe to 100 Sketch TV. Make a reason together, elevate the mind, and keep the vibes irie.